Good day, students. We are considering a topic titled sound waves. Sound waves is produced by vibrating body. The disturbance produced in air travels out from the source of vibration in the form of longitudinal waves. V equals to F lambda, where V is the velocity of sound waves, F is the frequency of sound waves, wavelength, which is lambda, is the wavelength of sound waves. Now let's see, velocity of sound wave equals displacement over time. V equals to 2d over t. Under sound waves, the sound hit the wall and comes back. That's two times of movement. Now you have to use 2d over t. It's very important. Now let's consider this example. What is the wavelength? Wavelength, question mark, frequency 250 Hertz, velocity is given to us 330 meters per second. We're familiar with V equals to F lambda. I'm looking for wavelength, divide both sides by F. F cancel F, wavelength equals V over L, which is 330 divided by 250. 0 cancel 0. You have 33.23 over 25, which is 1 point. When you divide it, you have 1.32 meters. This is the end of our class. Please subscribe to my channel so that I can have access to the latest video. Have a wonderful day.